many slices did the bird kuya? Oh, so many slices! Oh!
What's the bubbles for?
Oh, look here.
It
Follow
looks
this
yummy. That's what I think.
Then,
Can you eat the bubbles? Can I
Pwede
have it,
kainin yung
Mom?
bubbles.
Yes, ma'am. It's edible po.
I'm scooping.
Edible bubbles po siya. Ay, edible bubbles po.
go next to your mom.
Calamansi flavor.
Calamansi flavor.
Oh, calamansi flavor.
Cloud chocolate po siya, ma'am. Then, yung po is yung favorite cheesecake. On top po niya, yung ice cream. Then, base po niya is yung fresh cream.
Oh, you can use this
Cloud
spoon. This is a new
concept,
spoon.
kaya merong...
Oh, kuya, this is a new spoon. Okay, use your spoon.
How is it?
What do you think?
It's calamansi flavor.
Calamansi?
You eat the usual ice cream. This is my favorite dessert. It's good. Sa Australia, may siya sa yuzu flavor.
Calamansi.
Calamansi.
You taste.
What's the... Okay,
Can you help me?
ito lang.
Oh, you do it like that.
How is it? Oh.
I did not taste anything.
Wala sa bisip
Wala, okay lang.
Eat the whole thing.
This is a calamansi.
Yummy?
With the ice.
Is it yummy?